Hey beauties, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Nereida and I love sharing everyday hair tutorials. So if you're into that, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so you never miss a new video. I have filmed this intro I don't even know how many times, and every time the dogs bark, so we're just gonna leave them in. And I'm gonna be filming a updo for you guys, so let's just go ahead and get into the video. So you're going to start off by taking a section of hair from above your ears and tying it into a loose ponytail. Now you're going to make a gap in the hair and flip the ponytail up and through that gap to create a topsy tail. Now for my favorite part, you're just going to fluff up the edges of the twist and at the top of your hair too to add some texture. Split the remaining hair into 2 equal pieces and you get some cute braids. Now you're going to take one braid and cross it into the opposite side of the topsy tail. Take the remaining braid, cross it over into the opposite side of the topsy tail again. I like to pull them tight to make sure that they're secure, and then that's what you have. Now you want to repeat those steps once again, crossing the braid into the opposite side of the topsy tail. Now you just want to take your ends and secure them together with an elastic. Now go ahead and start tucking in your ends into the bottom of the bun and you're all done. And that is it for today's video. I hope that you all enjoyed. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on your post notifications if they aren't already so that you never miss a new video. Follow me on all my social channels. I will link them down below. And until next time, you guys, bye!